Question 3 was as follows. How many significant figures does the number 0.0034010 have? How many significant figures does the number 0.0034010 have? Okay, so to determine the number of significant figures that are in a number, there are certain rules or steps that you need to take in order to identify those significant figures. So let's go to those steps. So steps to follow are: 1. Reading zeros are not significant. They are just place orders. So if we have this number like the one in the question, this one. So which ones are reading zeros? So these 3 zeros, the one are in the ready box, are reading zeros. So these are not significant. Okay, so that means we can take them out and remain with this number. Okay, now remember, at the end of this at the end of following all the 4 steps, we should remain with only significant figures. So all digits that are not significant, will be taking them away. Okay, we go to point number 2, which is none zeros are significant. None zeros are significant. So if we have got this number, this is the number we have remained with. So those numbers that are not zeros are significant. So meaning 3, 4 and 1 are significant. 3, 4 and 1 are significant. Why? Because they are non-zeros. So meaning those will remain. Okay, we go to the third step, which is, or third rule, which is trading zeros are significant. Trading zeros are significant. So we have this number this is the number we're remaining with. Remember when we talked about 9 zeros, we identified those and we said they are significant, so we didn't take them away. So we are remaining with the same number, which is 34010. So when we talk about trading zeros, we mean this 0. So this 0 is also significant. This 0 is also significant. So I'm not going to take it away. That means we have remained with the same number that has got 5 significant figures. So we come to the 4th point, or the 4th rule, which is zeros between non-zero numbers are significant. Zeros between non-zero numbers are significant. So that means if we are still remaining with this number, then we are talking about this 0, which is in between 4 and 1. We are saying this number is also significant. So this 0 is also significant. So as you can see that we have utilized all the 4 rules that we need to follow, and yet we have remained with the same number, which is 34010. So that means in this number there are 5 significant figures. There are 5 significant figures. So the correct answer is C. C is the correct answer. Please, if you have got questions, you can ask in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and share with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also invite your friends to come and watch this video so that they can also know how to identify significant figures. Please share this video with your friends, and you can also encourage them to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. It has been Easy Learning Z Mathematics. The future is bright. See you in the next video, and God bless you.